Yo, what up guys, it's Willdabeast. Welcome to my dance class online, coming to you straight from Poland. Today, we're gonna start with Lil Jon, Bia Bia. It's an old song, but it's really, really hype. It's during the like crunk area. So, let's get started. You guys are gonna start folding your arms in like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you do 4 of those. And you wanna think about starting on 8, not on 1. So think about 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, full 8 count, keep going, and 5, 6, 7, 8. My feet are gonna go right leg, stand on it, switch, ha, switch, straight, 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 straight. So you guys wanna crank and do your arms and then your legs at the same time. You're gonna go bent, 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 straight leg, straight leg. Very easy to start off with. That starts on 8. So you guys wanna go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Right leg's out to jump forward, and you're gonna go right elbow, left elbow, then you're gonna go ha, ha, like you're trying to smack somebody twice. So think about from having that straight leg out, and right, left, right. So with this, right, left, then smack. Goo, goo, goo. So that's really aggressive. Tick, tick, ga, ga, ga. Yeah? So from the top, slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. You're up on that left. That left foot is up. You're gonna step it down, and you're gonna go right foot 3 times. Ha, ha, ha. So with that, think about having a towel in your left hand. You guys want to whip it back, back, down, back, down. So that's 3 accents on your leg at the same time. Wah, woo, wah. The last one, tiki tiki, and you're going to push. Woo, away from that. So that's very aggressive. So think about having this pause here and jumping right, left, smack, and woo, woo, woo. Down in a push. There we go. Top, slow. Good luck. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and right, left, right, left, right, left. Ha, ha, ha. Tiki, tiki, woo. That's like really aggressive. You guys gotta feel woo, woo, woo. Ta, 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 push. From there, you're gonna step with your left foot. Ta, 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 push. So think about push, left, 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 slide. With my hands, I push away. These are just kind of open. I'm gonna build this. Small, bigger, bigger, bigger to throw away again. So timing is 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and right, left, right, left, right, left. Ha, 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 tiki, tiki, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you're gonna go right foot twice. 6, 7, and you wanna act like you're making it rain, throw it up. 6, 7, let your arms trickle down 8. From there, you guys are gonna step back. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this is kind of like a Jabberwockies moment, like this, ta, 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 but you're gonna step down at the same time. Right, left, ta, 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 clean. So think about this cadence. Woo, left, boom, boom, right, and woo, ha. ha, tick, 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 goo. Yee, that's 2 8 counts down. Yeah, let's go top. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and right, left, and ta, 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 ticky, ticky, throw, push, push, throw, throw, push, up, right, left, ta, 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 hoo. Maybe you're okay? I hope so, yeah? So let's go on. Yeah, let's go on. Let's go on. You guys are gonna breathe 5, 6, 7, and 8. From here, it's just a groove. Think about this groove. Whop, and a hey. Think whop, and a hey. But instead, I'm gonna fold my right arm over my left, and I'm gonna go breathe, woo, around, ha, breathe, whoo, around, ha. But I'm gonna cut that groove off. I'm gonna go right, left, right, left, right. When I do this one, I'm gonna go left, right, then I'm gonna scuff and step. Shoot, do, do. So think 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Hands are behind my back. Open, then behind. So, wah, wah, zoo, wah, zoop, doop, doop. Yes. From there, you guys are gonna use your hands and go right arm, left arm. So, ta, 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 switch. Lean, lean, lean. I'm gonna crisscross my hands on my waist, cross. I'm gonna dip down, ha, to go. Right ankle, left ankle, accent, accent. So think ta, 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 click, click, zoo, tiki, tiki, ka, ka. So think wah, 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 click, click, ooh, tiki, tiki, coop, coop. So you have to be low enough here. Don't stand straight up. When you dip, woo, you need to go ankle, ankle, then from there, accent twice. It's like you're breathing, you need to squeeze. You should feel weird. If you don't feel weird, you're doing it wrong. Yeah? So from the new part, we said 7 and 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and kinda top. Good luck. 5, 6, remember we start on 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, ta, 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 tigga, tigga, woo, ha, ha, woo, ha, clean, walk, walk, ta, 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 whoo, wah, whoo, doo, doo, wah, shoot, doo, doo, tick, 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 click, click, whoo, ticka, ticka, ka, ka. Kinda, maybe, just finish here. Ha, ha, you guys are gonna go. From there, use your shoulders, press right, right, hands, head, left, left, hands, head. So think whoop, whoop, ha, whoop, whoop, ha, to finish. You're gonna go like this with your hands, step right, left, to go out with your hands, right foot back, together. Turn your head, step forward with the right foot to put this here, click, shoot, shoot. So that picture goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and. So think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Yeah, woo, it's a little slippery. Yes. So you guys wanna go 1, 2, 3, 4, tick, 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 woo. That's aggressive. So you said woo, and yeah, woo, and ka. Right, left, right, crisscross, down. Ankle, ankle, breathe, breathe, push, push. Head, push, push. Head, step, step. Tick, 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 whoo. And that's just about being clean. Picture, 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 whoo. And I rise off my heels and they just kind of click out. You guys are halfway there. Good job. All right, guys, so you learned the first half. I'm gonna show you with music and then we can move on. But first, let's try to get this with the music first. Here we go.
China white, short dog.
So you guys just finished with the bass, 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 bass. Then you're gonna march. You're gonna step with your left hand together. Left hand, right hand, left hand together. Your feet are gonna go right foot behind, right foot together. Right foot behind, right foot together. So from the side, from behind, it would look like this. March, march, wah. March, march, wah. From the front, you go, whoa, whoa, ha. Whoa, whoa, ha. Yes? Kinda. So you guys said, bass, 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 bass. Says represent your click, represent your click, say. From there, you get to do whatever you want. It's kind of a freestyle moment where you bounce to the right off of your right leg. Bounce, 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 freeze. Then you're gonna bounce to the left, bounce, bounce, twice. Then it goes, ticket, 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 ticket. From there, you freestyle. Ticket, 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 whatever you want. So think, bounce, 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 freeze, bounce, bounce, ticket, 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 ticket. Yeah, you can do something cool with your hat, your hands, move your feet really fast, it doesn't matter. But know that that's 3 steps to the right, tick, 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 hold, tick, 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 tick. So there's 3 to the right, 2 to the left, then you freestyle. Yes? You guys go. Represent your click, represent your click. Say 1, 2, 3, freeze, 1, 2, tick it, tick it, that. From there, easy. All you guys have to do is step. You're gonna go this way with your right foot. Right, left, lean back. Whoop, whoop. So my focus is to the side. Right, back, back. From there, I'm gonna point with my right arm. Right foot bangs. Remember this part? Zoom, same thing, but this time we point. Click, click, click. Then I'm gonna point with my left and drop down a level. Ha! Then I'm gonna switch my hands to go right, left. Then I'm gonna do an ISO. Click, click. And at the same time, I'm gonna jump and shift over without changing my level over to the right. 2, 2. To stand together. Shoo. That part's weird. So think about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tick, 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 tick. You guys are almost there. Let's put that together from the second half of the dance. So from bass, 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 1, 2, clean, ha, woo, woo, clue, ha, shoot, 2, 2, ha, shoot, 2, ticky, 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 walk, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, ha, click, 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 click. Almost there. This is the very end. You guys are gonna go bars, flex, yeah? So you have to put your hands up so they see your Willdabeast tattoo right here, yeah? I know all of you guys have it at home. So you guys have to go from here, right, left, ta, ta, left, right, ta, ta, right, left, ta, ta, swipe and ta, ta. Level change, up, ha, low, ha. Yes, 5, 6, 7, you scared, you scared, you scared, you scared, ha. You're gonna be a little Genki moment right here. Left hand comes over the top. You move like this with your right foot, with your right toe. So I'm going here, woo, woo. So think, ta, 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 ta. He says, stop acting like a you scared. So yeah, so we go. Acting like a, you're gonna put your right hand over your left arm, step out with your left foot, you, from there. So you go, wah, wah, zoom, and I'm gonna go click, click. So that's kind of a break and an ISO. Click, click. And from there, left hand's on my thigh, I'm gonna push back 4 times. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah? You guys go, whoop, doo, doo, whoop, doo, doo, ha, 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 zoo, shoo, click, tap, tap, ho, 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 ho. Yes, the end is all your own moment. You kind of play with it. You scared, you scared, you scared, you scared. Stop acting like a you scared. And you finished. So, last 8 count, you get to freestyle on your own. Think about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Freestyle 2, 3, and ta 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 ta, and whoop, 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 you scared. That's your own thing. It's about a character. This dance is a character dance. So I give you your clean moments, whoop, boom. You get to push off of that, freeze, push off that, do whatever you want. Walk, walk, bounce, bounce, tap, 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 drop, tick, 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 push, push, level, level, wa-ta-ta, ju, tick, tick, hey, 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 freestyle, 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 5, 6, 7, 8. And you did it. Good job. Congratulations. You're now officially I'm a Beast. See you guys next time. And we'll do it together. I'll play music for you. We'll get it. But you're amazing. I hope you understood. If not, you can watch this over and over and over again because it's yours. So, yeah. Peace. All right, so now I'm going to show you guys the second part with music. Let's get it. All right, now I'm going to show you guys the whole thing put together with the first half and the second half. So let's combine them. Turn your brain on, connect the dots. Let's go.
China white, short dog.
All right, guys, we made it to the end together. Thank you so much for taking my class. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Things that might help you out with this one is to have tension in your body. Squeeze your muscles. You want to make pictures like that really strong and clean. And then fight for clean lines. Think about military on this part, yeah? Don't just think, I'm just dancing. Think about military. These grooves, use your old school elements, but add aggression to them. It should feel like you're attacking on this. So if I was watching this dance, I want to feel it internally. I want to make a face like, ugh, like that's how it should feel. What else? Do you, be yourself. I let you guys have freestyle moments. So add your character in this dance. Again, this is a character piece to where I imagine 50 people on stage, all dressed differently, all in black, but we're all our own person and our own unique individual. So add that into this dance. And keep working hard. Dance, stay positive. Make sure you stretch, drink water, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.